This is our LNS Blaze model U48 ear unloader. Serial number 6104-153-48.
Well, yeah, obviously front end here is where the shafts will come out. You can walk around and check things out. Got the operator's display here. We're currently powered up. E-stop is good. We're in jog mode. There's only a couple of things we can do here without having a machine hooked up to it, but we can do the seal and we can do the vacuum pump and run all that. So yeah, coming around the rear tray back here, this whole thing moves on linear guides back here, depending on how you want to center it with the machine. Oh, back cover, I didn't even have that open, but that's back here, so for maintenance reasons. Down low is the panel. It's got a direct 06 PLC sitting in there. We're currently running at 480 volts incoming. Like I said, that's all powered up. And coming around the side, there's our air package coming in. And the main vacuum line coming through the box and up the tube into the chamber up there. So here's our gauge up in here. We can kind of see this happen once we bring it out and put a hand over it, and you'll see the gauge move a little bit maybe. And sure, I've got the switch turned off right now for the door. I went around it just so we can kind of open this up and take a look at what's going on here. So I should hold this from falling. Hang on a second. There we go. And this whole thing will open up with the slit for the shaft to come out. And this is the forward approach, the 5-inch, where it kisses off on the machine to create the vacuum chamber with the tubes that accessorize this whole unit. And here's the vacuum itself again right away. So a couple of switches for too many shafts in the tray. It'll stop the circuit right there. So that's about the thing. We can do two things with the air, and we can do one thing with the pump, and that's turn it on. So I'm in jog mode now. And I think if I enter jog, well, I'm already in jog mode, so I can do arrows.
I'm gonna stand on the other side of you. Yeah.
So I can do the arrows, which will open and close the main shaft tube opening, or close it. So that's while we're running. When it brings the shaft in, automatically it would open this. But actually before that happens, this would be closed and you'd have the front shaft seal, which is this button here. I can bring this forward manually. So that would happen. And then this guy would, of course, open after it brings the shaft through, and that would close up, and of course, and that goes back. That's that. Aside from that is blower. Put the blower on. Now you get no suction over here on the front yet until this thing comes forward. This is the way it's designed. So when it's idling, you don't put a load on the blower. So right now over here, we got nothing. So do it again. Yeah, I'm over here. So there's nothing there now. If I bring that front seal forward, as it goes back and dumps the shaft, it's quiet again. So, again, that's how all that works. And blower off. And I think if I start from auto mode, go into auto mode, enter that, and in auto mode, and we can put this guard back down now. Maybe we can see some things happen other than you'll have to walk around for the gauge, Pete, and that's about it. So keep all that clear. I think if I hit auto mode right now, it'll start a process right up to the point where it's waiting for the machine to tell it I just cut a piece off. So I think we can start it right here. That closed up, the vacuum came on. Now auto mode is now running. And the next item would be the enable signal from the machine would tell it just cut off the shaft. And at that point, the front seal would come out and take the shaft, which we were just doing a minute ago. So that's a auto mode. The only other thing I can show you is the gauge. Really, if we stop auto mode, if I can get back into jog here. Jog, enter that, and I think I missed it. Mode select, auto, cycle stop. I do so well here. Mode select, auto, jog. No, jog. Cycle stop. Had it. Just wanted to show the gauge, but if we don't get there, let's see. There it is. Jog mode, tube, jog. So I can turn on the blower now. So I can lower the lid, and I'll turn the blower on in manual here. Bring that front seal back out again right here. I'll put my hand over it and go check it. Climbing up. Seal, lower off. That's about all we can show here without having a machine on the other end. It all works pretty good.